Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have discussed about definition of sound, how sound produced, in which medium sound can travel, what are the speeds of sound, everything we have discussed. Today we will discuss different properties of sound. How sound depends on amplitude, frequency and quality, everything I will discuss today. First one, the sound that we hear around us very widely in nature. It means what? From a sound coming from a dog, sound coming from a cat, from my voice or any other people's, those who are talking, you are hearing the sound of different quality, different amplitudes, whereas different frequency. Pitch also different, everything is different, okay. So let us discuss one by one. First one is loudness. What? First one is loudness. Loudness means, loudness is the characteristics of a sound. Loudness is the characteristics of a sound which distinguish a loud sound from a faint sound. Loudness is the characteristics of a sound which distinguish loud sound from a faint sound. Clear? How it depends on amplitude means the factor on which loudness depends is amplitude, denoted by small a. Means loudness depends on which factor? It depends on amplitude. And what is amplitude? Suppose this is a wave. Okay? The maximum displacement of the wave on either side of its mean position. The maximum displacement of wave on either side of its mean position is called amplitude, and amplitude is denoted by a. SI unit of amplitude is what? Meter. SI unit of amplitude is what? Meter. Amplitude is denoted by what? A. And loudness depends on amplitude. Means the SI unit of amplitude I told, meter. Let's see two. We will compare. This is A wave and this is B wave. Here the wave is like this. This is amplitude, this is also amplitude. A wave, the amplitude is this much. Okay, B wave, the amplitude is this much. So which one amplitude is more? The amplitude of B is more as compared to A, so that B is louder as compared to A. Let me see, it is visible. Okay. So what I told? Amplitude of B is more, so that B is louder as compared to A. Then what is amplitude also I told? The maximum displacement of wave on either side of its mean position. Maximum displacement of the wave on either side of its what? Mean position is called amplitude, and loudness depends on amplitude. What is the definition of loudness? Loudness is the characteristics of a sound which distinguish a loud sound from a faint sound, which is having both what? Frequency and quality equal. Understood? Or pitch and quality equal, no problem in that case. Now suppose you will compare the sound of two or the loudness of two teachers. One teacher is teaching in A section, another teacher is teaching in B sections. When you are standing outside, then you will able to identify which voice is this one. How you are able? If one is louder, another one is fainter. If Karthik sir is teaching loudly, another sir is teaching little less loudly. It means the voice of mine or my amplitude is more as compared to other teachers' amplitude. I am giving example only, okay? Don't feel that one, I am giving only example. So A amplitude and B amplitude, in case of B, the amplitude is more, that's why B is louder, whereas in case of A, amplitude is less, so that this is fainter. Apart from amplitude, loudness depends on some other factors also. What are the factors which affects the loudness is we will discuss, let's see. Loudness depends on amplitude. Loudness depends on what? Amplitude. How it depends on amplitude? When amplitude increase, loudness also increase. It means loudness is directly proportional to amplitude. Loudness is directly proportional to amplitude. Loudness is directly proportional to amplitude. Clear? Another one. On another second factor is what? Loudness depends on surface area. Suppose you will take one big drum. Another one small tabla you will take. You are taking a big drum, another one small tabla you are taking. In which case the sound is louder? In case of drum the sound is louder. Why? Because the surface area of the drum is more as compared to the tabla. From here we can conclude, larger the surface area, louder is the sound. Larger the amplitude, louder is the sound. Understood? Third one, it depends on density of the medium. What? It depends on density of the medium. More the density of the medium, more is the loudness. If the density is more, then loudness also more. And speed of sound, if you are increasing density, the speed of sound also increases. Already we have discussed in previous class. So, loudness is directly proportional to the amplitude. Loudness directly proportional to surface area, means surface area increase, loudness also increase. Loudness directly proportional to density of the medium, in which medium it is traveling. Last one, loudness depends on the presence of resonance body. Resonant body you will read in higher class. Due to external periodic force, resonance is creating. You know that loudness, another one, loudness depends on that source or the movement of the air, or air blowing in which way. Suppose sound is, some DJ sound is there, and from that side the air also blowing towards you, then you will hear a loud sound. But when the blowing of air is opposite to the direction of propagation of sound, then in that case you will heard you will listen a faint sound. From here we can conclude that means air is moving towards us, then loudness increases, because the sound is coming with air and some resonance, some resistance is there, opposing force is there. In that case the sound become fainter. So factor affecting loudness, what are that? Amplitude, surface area, density, and in which side the air is blowing. This much clear? Next one, loudness also depends inversely, means if distance increases, loudness decreases. Suppose you are standing far away from me and I am shouting with my maximum voice, then also you will able to hear, you will listen little amount of sound. But if I am nearby you, in that case what happened? In that case you will listen louder sound. So it depends inversely to the distance. Distance is more, the sound is fainter, not louder. If distance is less, then it is louder. This is all about loudness. So loudness is the characteristic of sound which determines or distinguishes a loud sound from a faint sound. Next we will read pitch. Watch pitch. Understood how to show the loudness of a sound? Means this is amplitude, this is a wave of sound in which this is called amplitude, the maximum displacement of the wave on either side of its mean positions. Second one we will read pitch. Second one is what? Pitch. P-I-T-C-H. Pitch. Second one is what? Pitch. P-I-T-C-H. Then what is pitch? Pitch is the characteristics of sound. Pitch is the characteristic of sound which distinguishes a shrill sound from a grave sound. It means if two persons are talking, in that case what you will feel? If a voice is shriller or graver, you can distinguish it. How can you distinguish? You can distinguish by knowing frequency. By knowing what? Frequency. And frequency is denoted by F and unit is Hertz. H-E-R-T-Z. Means the unit of frequency is Hertz. This is called Hz also you can write. In short form you can write Hz or you can write H-E-R-T-Z. So unit of frequency is Hertz. And frequency is denoted by F. Frequency is denoted by what? F. This much clear? So what is pitch? Pitch is the characteristic of sound which distinguishes a shrill sound from a grave sound. You have listened, the baby sound is shriller, means it is pleasant to hear, whereas my voice is grave sound. Because my frequency is less. My frequency is what? Less. So, pitch is the characteristic of sound which distinguishes a shrill sound from a grave sound. If it depends on graveness and shrillness, means it directly depends on frequency. So the factor on which pitch depends is frequency. Frequency is denoted by F, unit is Hertz. H-E-R-T-Z, Hertz, you can say Hz also. Understood? Now what is frequency? Frequency is the number of vibration in 1 second or number of oscillation in 1 second. Means the number of oscillation in 1 second is called frequency. Frequency denoted by F and the unit of frequency is Hertz, or you can write second inverse also, means second inverse. The other unit of frequency is second inverse. Now, our audible range is there. It means our ear can receive a sound of some limited frequency, that is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. It means the audible range is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Audible range is what? 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Below 20 Hertz is called infrasonic, whereas above 20,000 is called ultrasonic. Means below 20 Hertz is called infrasonic, whereas above 20 Hertz is called ultrasonic. Both infra and ultra we cannot listen, we cannot hear, because our audible range is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Our audible range is what? 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Below 20 Hz is called infrasonic. Above 20 Hz is called ultrasonic wave. So frequency depends, pitch depends on frequency. Frequency is the number of vibration in 1 second, and unit of frequency is Hertz. It is denoted by Hz, or you can say second inverse. Our audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Below 20 Hz is called infrasonic. Above 20 Hz is called ultrasonic. Both the waves, infrasonic or ultrasonic, we cannot hear. Bat can hear ultrasonic waves. Dogs can hear ultrasonic waves. And these ultrasonic waves we are using in sonar and radar. Sonar, S-O-N-A-R, sonar, and R-A-D-A-R, radar. The homework is, and you have to give a comment just below the, after watching this video, you will have to give comment. How was the session or the video, as well as you have to give the full form of sonar and radar. You have to give the sonar and radar what? Full form. Another homework is, the number of vibration in 1 second is called frequency. Number of vibration in 1 second is called frequency. You have to give what is the frequency of your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. What is the frequency of your heartbeat? That one also you have to comment in comment box. Okay. Today this much only. Next class we will start our what? Quality is there, echo also there, how we can measure the distance of the object from the reflector, everything we will discuss in next class. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.